It was the weekend before school started in a small Jamaican community. Inside a humble board house, a mother worried over her son's new school year.
School I start Monday. I'm in a way I feel no way, but me can't afford a new shoes right now. And the one where you have it mash up bad. Not if your foot you can't put in a that.
Mommy, know worry yourself about this something. You remember the green water boat where a lady from Canada did bring when she come down?
Oh gosh, me pitney. No, so there's something, man. What about a school? Just wait until the second week. Let me see what the lady can do.
Mommy, me no want miss nothing at all. As the word leave it teach her mouth, it must receive in my brain. Nothing at all me no want miss.
She couldn't afford to buy him new shoes and the old pair was completely worn out. But the boy was determined.
Oh gosh, Raphael. Me understand what you're saying on my pitney, but oh gosh, me no want you feel like your past feel worse or you have to do this. Me just wait the week now. I'ma see what me can do. At least Thursday.
Mommy, no worry yourself. Me will wear that. Just don't stress out yourself. But just don't want me school at all for nothing. Me have to do this.
Instead of feeling ashamed, he decided he would wear a pair of rubber water boots that a lady had sent from Canada.
Especially for a piece of water boot, mommy. Just because me no want people look from me and say, him a wear water boot come to school. No, me can't make that stop me, mommy.
Yeah, sure, my son. Me love you, you know. Me no want you feel like you're past for the worst. Just God and pray. But the next thing, where you go wear for your bag? See that the bag. Where we go get? Where we
Do
go?
not pressure your brain. You already provide enough food for me eat. We have scanned out background. Good night and love you. Me have to wake up for school in the morning.
But what a boy determined. Master God, I want me get him from. No matter how hard life is, him determined to push through any situation. Me no know which struggle can beat this a boy down.
It was the first morning of school. The boy's mother quietly thinking about him wearing his water boots on a sunny day instead of new shoes.
Raphael, before you go, you sure you really want to do this? Like, you change your mind or anything, remember, you don't have to wear them. Just let me know, you know.
She walked over to make sure he was really okay with it, worried that he might feel embarrassed.
Mommy, me alright. Stop worry yourself. Me love you, you know.
But the boy was determined. He refused to let missing shoes stop him from going to school.
Alright, Raphael. Me love you too, you know, me boy. But always remember, you're not parts for yours. You are God Pitney. And do me, I beg you, continue to be humble. May I tell you, one day it will pay off.
With his water boots on and his books packed in a plastic shopping bag, he walked out into the bright Jamaican morning, confident in his stride. He stepped out proudly in his water boots and scandal bag. The sun was hot, children filled the schoolyard, and excitement buzzed in the air.
Yo, man, them, watch ya. What about a school, bro? Them youth ya nah no style. No matter how hard life is, me nah wear that come to school. You mad? After a bush me a go. Me a farmer.
That me a say too. A farm we a go farmer man. You have your who and I scandal back too.
But yeah, you God. Scandal bug. Then I saw this a boy you love school. He must have come do some jockey tan type politician work when he grow big.
The other kids showed off their brand new Clark shoes and expensive bags. The other children noticed him immediately. They laughed, pointed at his boots, and mocked his plastic bag, trying to make him feel small. Yet somehow, he seemed unfazed. He deeply believed in God and his timing. Psalm 27:14. Wait on the Lord, be of good courage, and he shall strengthen thine heart. Wait, I say, on the Lord. Ecclesiastes 3:1. To everything there is a season, and a time to every purpose under the heaven. There was a quiet confidence in his walk, as if he already knew something they didn't. Every taunt, every laugh seemed to bounce off him, while the other kids were living in the moment, thinking only about style and impressing each other.
Oi, broke boy. Today are the first day of school, Monday. Today is not a Friday. You don't know your days of the week. You couldn't find something better for put on. Today a Monday, you feel look fresh. I find me out go. You say this yesterday when me a brush off. A clock seat name. Badman boot. When I hear a water boot them, can buy taxi fare. For me drive go by my bad clocks. So your office state creep. That the work day where teacher chat can turn. Cause my boot of a crisp. Well crisp. You see when lunchtime come and the girl them see me boot when me a walk past, the whole of them just a pay attention so.
Yeah, Biggs. All the one show me car. She just a look over yourself from morning. So me start brush off my boot pon the decks. For she say, yeah, I done this. You know?
Yeah man, bad Jovi. I chew it man for real. I'll know. Me no know why teacher chat about pon the board. But me ever ask one of them pretty girl here. If just write half a notes for me.
He focused on his future and learning, soaking up knowledge like it was gold, while keep God involved in his life. Years went by. While keeping God involved in his life, that was the best decision ever made.
And I love it for me. I love it, I do. Took me from rags to riches. Yeah, took me from rags to riches. Love it for me. Yeah, I love it, I love it. Took me from rags to riches. Took me from rags to riches. Ooh, yeah. And I love it for me. I love it, I love it. Took me from rags to riches.
No sir, star. Me belly empty. Me can't take this no more. Me feel like my life done before it even start.
My granny tell me straight up say, if me no look what by weekend, she dash out my clothes then pan veranda. So me have to move serious.
6 years after high school, some of those same boys found themselves on the roadside, struggling, asking around for work.
But wait, if I a granny you live with, or you did get them bad boot there, and a bad bag there,
My youth, I market my granny work. Her money done this and I take it so lightly. But she get hold now, she can't really manage. So she take it upon me. So me have to come out to us and go find out boy.
She sound serious youth, you better find something to today.
Me nah lie youth. She say me heat out her food. Me drink water like tank. I run up her light bill. And after all of that, she say me sit on panic settee like one big old worthless pillar. I take in every single show that come up on YouTube. All the ads them me watch. She well tired of me man.
Me no live with you and me tired of you too. But me hear say them a build one new mall over there, so you know. Even if I feel wipe it grung, me no business.
I try no youth, money and money, anything and anything. I mean, know my granny would have grad say me evil. Yet for pay the Wi-Fi bill. At least me can watch movie or come up on the YouTube and watch the ads.
Yeah, bro, me just want the money for buy 2 patty and a box juice. And me good. You know me govern.
A new building had opened nearby, and they were hoping that to get a job.
See one lady there I walk come. She kinda look nice. Go and go ask her.
Me? Hey, Maga boy, don't do them things there aren't comment about me. Why are me? You want go ask her?
Yeah. So what make you come over here so far then if you not gonna say nothing? So and me alone you want talk up and say things and you just chill back and get a job. So and me I push out there.
Remember say me a hot boy from high school days in a youth. Nobody can see me out here a bed job. Don't ramp with me. A your close granny fling out on veranda, not mine.
Okay, Biggs. So you do me. Because me have a primary problem, you just push me out there for to speak up and talk like me, a prime minister, me and Mr. Motamasi. It's alright.
I know that. Don't go and see who for clothes I get put out on veranda. And don't come knock my door, you know. Come in now, help meet. Just brave up and go on, man. What you afraid for? Go and go ask the lady and make we hear what she saying, man.
And me when me ask for a big head boy, since you want come push me up front like you know one job too. Good evening, miss. My granny say, if me not find work by weekend, me clothes fling out per veranda.
Oh, hey, this a big head idiot, don't say it, boy, man. Hey, boy, you never know if you listen in the language art class and talk properly.
Oi, remember staying up here say nothing, you know? Cause you never can't say nothing. In a language art class, me a brush boot. And you, I know better. So nobody can't open up your mouth like you want can't say nothing.
Tap your nice boy when me uncle this. Sorry about that, miss. He don't really have any sense. We would like job for the both of us. I saw you talk youth.
So now it's the both of us. Move from you, so miss. I just see me one. Me live with my granny so me can't sweep. If that's the position you have, hire me.
But lad, ono full of drama. But I'm not in the position to hire anyone. The boss will be here very soon. You'll get to speak to him in person.
But wait. No, sir. You mean the boss? The man who own this a big old building, yeah? Miss? Him?
Yes, sir. Him who own this big old building. This is actually his second one. He'll be here soon, though.
His second building? No. This serious?
The man are there soon. It look like you're a big head now work. You better turn up good and sit straight. Cause your head big, we may not get a job. Look professional.
You can go and chat off your mouth, you know. Cause me not think you understand who we are gonna meet. The man will make this a building here. What if we ask him for money?
Yeah, idiot. Me I tell him say my granny I go put me out by weekend. Him I go sorry for me and give me a thing. Make a good set for you and him a put up so we first ask.
You think a Santa Claus? Hey boy, no mess this up for me, no? You better lock your mouth and lock in your lip. A job we are looking at youth. Job we are look. And our sympathy can't pay bills and buy me party.
They waited eagerly hoping. Spotting a car pulling up.
Panda butt carry out where I pull up, boy. I boss in that thing, huh?
This a man you have money, man. I wonder when do for a living. Make money?
Boss, welcome back. I have great news. The water boot have sold out again and again. The people are saying they are so comfortable. Like, I don't think we have time. We need to restock now, as soon as possible, boss.
Wow, Mrs. Edward. That is actually amazing, you know. Great news to start the day. It's wonderful. Loving it.
The people are going insane about these water boots. I even have somebody calling and say they would let their children wear it to school. It's so comfortable. I was so stunned. Matter of fact, people are calling in right now.
I'm okay. Thank you guys so much. You know, I really appreciate it.
Oh, darling, you're back. I'm so glad you make it safely. But before you head right straight into business, there were actually two gentlemen that came here asking for a job. And I know how you feel about being unemployed. So I told them to wait. You'll be here soon.
Thank you so much for not letting them leave. You know, I got to help the youths in whatever way I possibly can. But where are they? Where are they right now?
Them actually outside waiting for you. Just go out there and see what you can do for them. You know, we don't like to see these things happening. You know, everybody need a job to get paid. I'll be in the office, you know, whenever you're done, you can come back and we work things out. But just please see what they need.
Okay, my darling, could you get some more water boots in stock? Actually, they actually sold out again. You know? Such a blessing.
Trick me or you trick me? No water boot boy that.
Where? Which part you see water boot boy umber?
Look no, he that don't pay attention, you know, look. I see him where you in there tell a woman about oh, your granny a go fling out your clothes pan veranda. You don't understand, look.
Wait there. I am fix you. No water boot boy that. See water boot boy dick.
Then Anna that me just say. You know, say I want big old lady that do.
Me tell if it stop bullying man for a long time in a youth. See there, man a boss a place now.
On top your eyes, I know better can start say nothing, you know. Cause I know me shame want mash me up. And you see man did a bully boy too. You say this yassa when me a brush off, a clock seat name, Badman Boot. When I hear a water boot them, can't buy taxi fare. For me drive go my bad clocks.
Yo man them, watch ya. Water boot a school bro. Them youth ya nah no style. No matter how hard life is, me nah wear that come to school. You mad? After a bush me a go. Me a farmer. So Alande, you feel like them me no shame too? Right now, she might mash me up inside me. I wonder if me for just run off and act like nothing at me, you know. Cause right now, me shame bad youth. Me not even can face him man right now, brother. And you know, see, your fault, big boy. Are you in now?
I want to that mother head boy, man. What you mean my fault? I know you are your one person for know when for done. Me control your mouth for talk constant nothing big head maga head boy. Look here. Oi, don't make me get grand me name money in a youth. You see like how you man walk home over here, so you better figure out something for tell him, you know, boy. You better tell him something, you know, cause right now me shame, but you know, shame just mash me up in my chest. So,
I want to that big head boy, man. You feel like how you want shame, you def say me shame too. I'm to you, man, boy. You better figure out something say to you, cause I just still like how my granny I go fling me out upon veranda. You better not mess this up, you know, big head boy. You want no big for no reason. You better tell him, say you're sorry. Put your pride behind you. Me not have time for this. Me not come down here for nothing.
So, you tell me say now everything are just my fault alone? You no say nothing no long head boy. You see it just long. Your head not long for not being able to use your think as test something. I mean when not say nothing. Some man say that you test him man boy. You see you?
Why them not change at all? Excuse me. Are you guys the two gentlemen that was asking for a job?
You say this yesterday when me a brush off? A clock seat name. Badman boot. When I hear a water boot them, can't buy taxi fare.
Are you guys the two gentlemen that was asking for a job?
Sure, my life depend on this, you're lucky. My granny said,
Hey boy,
my granny,
tap your head before me thump in and they can't twist it. You hear if it tap tell people they sitting there. Sorry General. Me never know say you run up here, so, you know, else we won't come. Me not so brave, you know. But I'm just want to say like, sorry for everything you're going back in ideas. But if you don't want to give a job, it's alright. You know, me understand. In a high school, we do some dumb sitting. And me personally, I apologize. I'm sorry. Me never did that thing future-wise, bro. Me totally wrong, bro. Right now, if you don't want to give me a job, me not even feel no way about it. Me proud that you are all for reaching a life. After all of the high school laugh and jokes that.
I feel true, bro. We laugh after your boat. Oh, you manage to do it after everybody laugh after your shoes, boy. Oh, you want so strong. Oh, you manage to do all of this. For car that tires. Check get a driver and find it.
Hey boy, tab question him and come on a big head boy. It just speaks so. You not have no little bit of shame.
You know, if you really need a job, you can get it. From the day that happened, me get over it long time ago. The reason why me get over it so quick, because me know my future. Me know what me did have in mind.
They couldn't believe it. After all the bullying, after all the jokes, this was the same boy they had mocked.
I'm up and down like a pogo.
Not even mommy. My own mother who me love so much that she do everything for me. Not even she never understand. Why was I so humble? Why me never care? Why me never business? I me just still do me thing. Because God is real. Me keeping commandments them and me work towards whatever me put my mind to. Nobody on earth. Long as God approve of something if it do, who exactly gonna stop it?
Oh, push boy. Oh, your art went so good.
Viewers and subscribers, wanna see how life funny? Sometimes the same thing with them take use clone you, God take you and crown you, right in their face. So remember this, never watch the laughing, watch the future, cause the job today can be the jackpot for tomorrow.
Uno hear me son, him humble from day one, and look at him now, make mommy rich out. You know, we not feel worrying a pressure me burn no more. Thank God. You know them way dead? My son is just a superstar. But remember to subscribe and like and leave a comment.
The lesson was clear. Don't underestimate anyone's struggle. Today's water boot can be tomorrow's Clark's. And also remember, don't be quick to anger. Trust God, and He will make your path straight. Sometimes it's best to be patient and let life show the results. Keep trusting God, stay humble, and be patient. Today's struggles can become tomorrow's blessings. Psalm 37, 1-2. Fret not thyself because of evildoers, neither be thou envious against the workers of iniquity, for they shall soon be cut down like the grass and wither as the green herb. Lamentations 3:25-26. The Lord is good unto them that wait for Him, To the soul that seeketh him, it is good that a man should both hope and quietly wait for the salvation of the Lord.
Calling me out like the first day. This ain't no first aid. Yeah, you making me new today. Brand new, straight from the fountain of wealth. I put my gift in your hand. Take me from rags to riches in the best way. You wait for me, and it seems that you wait for me. No, took me from rags to riches, took me from rags to riches. Oh yeah, and I love that for me. I love it. Took me from rags to riches. Yeah, took me from rags to riches. Love it for me. Yeah, I love it. Took me from rags to riches. Took me from rags to riches. Oh yeah, and I love it for me. I love it. Took me from rags to riches. Took me from rags to riches. I love it for me. Yeah, I love it for me. Yeah, you always spending time with me. Bet you nothing ain't a dime on it. Bought me at a price a man can't afford. Taking me to places I ain't explored yet. Heavenly places. No GPS or escaping. No escaping. Yeah, you had everything. Gave it all away. Gave me everything. Drip on the cost. Gave it
Before you go, let's share some love. Supporting small creators can make a big difference. And today, I want to shine a light on a few amazing YouTube channels that deserve way more eyes on them. Chrisanne's Bible Story. If you love faith-based content and storytelling with a creative twist, this channel brings AI-generated Bible stories to life in a fun and unique way. It's currently at 213 subscribers, but we're speaking it into being. Let's push it to 300 and beyond. CJ's Corner, a sweet and colorful world for kids. This channel is packed with fun learning activities, coloring time, and kid-friendly joy. It's sitting at 14 subs, and with your help, we can bust it to a nice clean 100 real quick. Pom Pom Parade. If you're into cute and creative crafts, this is the place. From adorable art to simple DIYs, she's at 24 subs, and I feel like we can help her craft her way to 100 plus. Let's show her what community looks like. And bestie, don't forget to stay connected with me personally on The Kelly Effect. That's where you'll find the real me, behind the scenes, my daily life, seeing me try new things, more skits, vibes, and all the little things I don't always share on my AI-generated channel. It's raw, fun, and full of heart. Find out who is really Kelly Toons. So go ahead, hit that subscribe button, drop a like, and leave a comment on these amazing channels. Let them know you came with love.